my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a fun experiment. So for this experiment you will need a glass, a water bottle and a piece of cardboard. First you will need to fill the glass with water. Now you may place the cardboard over it. So now I'm going to turn the cup upside down. So what do you think will happen? Will the water overflow? Let's see. So now, as you can see, the cardboard is held on its place. It's no magic trick, it's science behind it. I'm going to explain you what science is behind this trick. Air pressure exerted on the card from underneath is greater than the weight of the water. This is why the cardboard stays in its place and does not move. Thank you.